Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. This is Alex from Albo Studio, and if you are new to the channel, I'm doing tech tips, tech reviews, and I talk about cryptocurrency. So if you are into that, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss anything. With that being said, let's jump into the video. In today's video, I will show you how to connect a printer to your computer using macOS X. It's really simple, but sometimes we have problems with it. So let's see how to do this. So first thing you need to do is to check that your printer is USB connected and power connected. In my case, I want to turn on the power. You can see that my printer HP, which model is this? 2645 is on. Let's go to our settings, printers. And you can see that this printer is not displayed here in the menu bar. You will need to click printers. Here you can see our printer, HP-Jet 2640 series. Okay, let's add it. Now our system had added the printer. If you want to share your printer over the network, you can select this one, share this printer on the network, and your printer will be shareable and other computers in your network will be able to see it. And that's it. Now you can go and test it. Since I have a scanner, I will open the scanner and see will I get the connection of my printer. Waiting for a scanner. And yes, it stopped working. So there's the comment. So this is how you set up your printer with your macOS X. Easy and simple. If you get any value from this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It doesn't hurt. You'll get all the newest updates. Take care guys. Bye bye.